Hi friends, this is a fun book called Fishy Friends. Look at that, they're really friendly and they're both happy. You can write your name on here. Practice and do the best you can. In the very back here, there's different colored fish that you can cut out on the lines, or if you need somebody to help you, that is fine because you're going to need them for inside the book. So inside the book, there's a red fish. It says, one red fishy wondering what to do, found a friend, and they were, and put that fish here, were two. Two blue fish swimming in the sea found a friend, and then there were three. So you're going to add a fish here. So there's 1, 2, and then 3. 3 green fishes looking for some more found a friend, and then there were 4. So you're going to add 1 there, and then this is addition. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 yellow fishies going for a dive found a friend, and then there were 5. 5 purple fishies performing fishy tricks found a friend, and then there were 6. 6 orange fishies twisting and twirling found a friend, and then there was 7. 7 pink fish did not want to wait, found a friend, and then there were 8. 8 brown fish, oh so fine, found a friend, and then there were 9. Look at this, all the fish. All the little fishies on the go, 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 all found each other, and they made a rainbow. Look at that, all the fishes. And if you count each line, that's how much it is when you add a friend. This is a lot of fun. Have fun, friends. Bye.